Today, we've got some juicy leaks about the upcoming Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, and it's shaping up to be an absolute game changer in the smartphone world. Samsung's next flagship is expected to launch in about 4 months, but some features have already leaked. Let's dive into what we know so far about this exciting new device. The biggest buzz surrounding the Galaxy S25 Ultra is its design. While we haven't seen the full picture of its design yet, reliable sources have given us a good idea of what to expect. According to well-known tipster Ice Universes, the dimensions for the Galaxy S25 Ultra have been leaked: 162.8, 77.6 x 8.2 millimeters. If this is true, it will be one of Samsung's thinnest flagships ever. While the Galaxy S25 Ultra won't beat the record set by the Galaxy S6, which was just 7 millimeters thin, it's still an impressive feat considering the phone will pack high-end hardware and upgraded cameras. Samsung's ability to maintain a slim profile while delivering premium features is quite an achievement. Now, for those of you who are curious, let's compare the S25 Ultra's dimensions to other flagships Samsung has released in the last 5 years. Galaxy S20 Ultra, 166.9, 76.0, 8.8 millimeters. Galaxy S21 Ultra, 165.1 x 75.6 x 8.9 millimeters. Galaxy S22 Ultra, 163.3 x 77.9 x 8.9 millimeters. Galaxy S23 Ultra, 163.4 x 78.1 x 8.9 millimeters. Galaxy S24 Ultra, 162.3 x 79.0, 8.6 millimeters. Galaxy S25 Ultra, 162.8 x 77.6 x 8.2 millimeters. You can see how Samsung has been gradually making their phones more compact and refined, and the S25 Ultra continues that trend. It's shaping up to be a perfect balance of thinness and size, making it one of the slimmest flagships of 2025. Another exciting detail about the Galaxy S25 Ultra is its premium build. Reports suggest the phone will feature titanium side rails, giving it extra strength while maintaining a lightweight feel. On top of that, we're expecting Gorilla Glass on both the front and rear of the device, which should provide excellent protection from scratches and drops. As with previous models, the S25 Ultra is expected to come with dust and water resistance, making it durable for everyday use. Of course, there will also be an in-display fingerprint reader, continuing the trend of smooth, seamless design. While Samsung is making strides in design and materials, it seems that they're sticking to the tried and true for the battery. According to leaks, the Galaxy S25 Ultra will feature a 5000 mAh battery, the same capacity as its predecessors. Now, while some might be disappointed that there's no increase in battery size, Samsung's decision to stick with this capacity makes sense given the phone's slim profile. But here's where things get interesting. Samsung is reportedly continuing with 45-watt fast charging. This might sound familiar because it's the same charging speed that the Galaxy S20 Ultra had all the way back in 2020. One of the most polished and feature-rich Android skins, and version 7.1 should bring even more customization options and features. What's more, Samsung is committing to 7 years of Android OS updates, which means the S25 Ultra will stay up to date for years to come. This level of support is rare in the Android world and adds serious value to the device. That's it for today's video. What do you think about the Galaxy S25 Ultra? Are you excited about its slim design and upgraded cameras? Let me know in the comments section below. And don't forget to subscribe if you're new here. As always, see you in the next video. Hey, we've got some exciting news about Samsung's upcoming foldable smartphones. If you're a tech enthusiast, you're definitely going to want to stick around for this one. We're talking about the highly anticipated Galaxy Z Fold 6 series, and more specifically, the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra, which is rumored to be coming to China and Korea. Let's dive right in. Among the many Galaxy Z Fold 6 models that are currently in development in Samsung's labs, the one that has everyone buzzing is the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra. Now, if you're familiar with Samsung's Ultra-branded smartphones, you know they are designed to be the best of the best, offering high-end features and cutting-edge technology. While the standard Galaxy Z Fold 6 is expected to bring some minor incremental upgrades, all eyes are undoubtedly on the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra. However, here's the catch. The Ultra isn't expected to get a global release. But don't worry, it seems this powerhouse of a device won't be restricted to just Samsung's home country, South Korea. According to the folks over at Android Headlines, Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra could also be launching in China. This is particularly interesting because it seems the rumored Galaxy Z Fold 6 Slim, which we've been hearing about with its slimmer body, bigger displays, and larger battery, might actually be the Chinese variant of the Fold 6 Ultra. If this is true, it would clear up some of the confusion we've seen in recent weeks about how many models Samsung is actually working on. It might just be two: the Galaxy Z Fold 6 and the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra. The Ultra, limited to Korea and China for now, would allow Samsung to gauge interest levels before potentially bringing it to a wider audience. In China, the Z Fold 6 Ultra may be sold as the Samsung Galaxy S25, complete with unique visual touches like decorative engravings on the hinge, similar to previous Samsung Galaxy smartphones. And here's another interesting tidbit: China might also get the Galaxy Z Flip 6 as the W25 Flip. This is speculative at this point, but it aligns with rumors that Samsung is also working on a Galaxy Z Flip 6 Slim. Now, unfortunately, there isn't a lot of detailed information about what exactly the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra will offer compared to the Z Fold 6. This is probably because the Ultra model isn't launching alongside the standard model, but we can expect more details to emerge once the standard Galaxy Z Fold 6 goes official at Samsung's Galaxy Unpacked event next month. Samsung's Galaxy Unpacked events are always full of surprises, and we can't wait to see what they have in store for us this time. Will the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra live up to the hype? Will it bring groundbreaking features that set it apart from the standard model? Only time will tell. To be an upgrade. While rumors suggest a larger display and a slimmer design, the lack of S Pen support might be a deal breaker for some users. Rossian also mentioned that production for the Z Fold 6 Ultra's display panels might begin later this year, with a launch expected in January alongside the Galaxy S25. This staggered release makes sense. It avoids competing with the July launch of the regular Fold 6 and keeps the Ultra exclusive to South Korea for now, which might frustrate international buyers. Speaking of launches, rumors suggest the next Galaxy Unpacked event might be happening on July 10th in Paris, France. However, Tipster eLeaks list of expected reveals didn't include the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra. Does this mean no Fold 6 Ultra this year? Probably not. eLeaks list might only include devices launched. Leaked photo a few days ago looks a bit cheap and out of place on a flagship smartphone, expected to cost over $1,500. The device in the picture also appears to be wider than the current Galaxy Z Fold models, suggesting that Samsung is increasing the display size. However, the screens won't be significantly bigger. Samsung is reportedly saving the major display size upgrade for the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra and Galaxy Z Fold 6 Slim models, which are rumored to launch alongside the standard Z Fold 6 this year. Now, let's move to the front. The first hands-on image of the Galaxy Z Fold 6 is leaked and reveals that Samsung has finally listened to Galaxy Z Fold users. The new foldable phone will feature a wider cover screen compared to the Galaxy Z Fold 5. Reliable tipster Ice Universe shared this full image showing the front of the device and comparing it to the Galaxy Z Fold 5. As you can see, the upcoming foldable phone will have a wider cover screen that matches the width of the Galaxy Z Fold 5's cover screen plus one of its bezels. This wider cover screen should improve the typing experience on the Galaxy Z Fold 6 and resolve aspect ratio issues in some apps and games. The new foldable also appears to have much sharper corners for both the body and the cover screen. A tipster shared a photo that seems to show a new camera module for the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6. Although the leak only indicates that the camera module will feature a new design, it's doubtful Samsung would implement a design change without also upgrading the camera hardware. Here we have the first look at the new Galaxy Z Fold 6 outer display. A Twitter user named Ali recently shared a render comparing it to the Galaxy Z Fold 5. According to Ali, the new outer display features a boxier design and a slimmer hinge, significantly enhancing the Fold 6 overall appearance. The most noticeable difference between the Fold 5 and Fold 6 is the wider cover display. The render clearly shows. What do you think about these changes? Are you excited about the wider cover screen and new design? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with all the latest tech news. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.